Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add an account pin to your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in. It's quite easy. Initially, what I would like to do is simply click on this Hello, your profile name, accounts and list button. I'm gonna click on it right now. Then something like this will pop up. From here, as you can see, there are lots of things you can go around from. But right now, we're only gonna focus on this thing called your profiles. Click on it right now. Well, once you click on it, something like this will open up. Well, right now I'm just gonna select the profile of my choice. I'm gonna click on it right now. Now this page will open up. Well, from here, do note that you can change your profile name, edit your contact details, and if I simply scroll down, you'll see something like PIN. Some Amazon programs require a PIN for additional security. So I'm just gonna click on this pencil-like icon right here. Once you click on it, it's gonna ask you to simply create your PIN. Right here it says, the 4-digit PIN is used to authenticate your Amazon profile. I'm just gonna enter it right now. And as you can see, I just need to confirm my PIN once again. I'm gonna enter it right now. And guys, that's it. As you can see, the PIN has been updated. And guys, that's the gist of it. That is how you add a PIN to your Amazon profile. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.